The engine malfunction warning in your Mazda is a critical alert that should never be ignored. This warning, often accompanied by the familiar check engine light, indicates your vehicle's sophisticated diagnostic system has detected a problem. Modern Mazda vehicles from 2024 and 2025 feature incredibly sophisticated onboard diagnostic systems, known as OBD2. These systems continuously monitor your engine's performance and can provide specific error codes to pinpoint exactly what's wrong. Based on recent data, there are 5 main causes of engine malfunction warnings in Mazda vehicles. The most common culprit is oxygen sensor failure, accounting for 35% of all cases. The second most common issue is catalytic converter problems, responsible for 20% of engine malfunction warnings. These components are crucial for reducing harmful emissions. Mass airflow sensor problems account for 15% of cases, while ignition system malfunctions cause 12%, and fuel system irregularities round out the top 5 at 10%. Your Mazda's diagnostic system continuously monitors 5 critical areas: emissions control systems, engine performance parameters, fuel delivery systems, ignition timing and efficiency, and exhaust gas recirculation. When a problem is detected, the system generates specific diagnostic trouble codes, or DTCs. These codes are categorized into 4 main types to help technicians quickly identify the source of the problem. Ignoring an engine malfunction warning can lead to severe engine damage and significantly increased repair costs. The warning system is designed to protect your engine and alert you before minor issues become major problems. Prompt action is crucial for maintaining your vehicle's health and avoiding expensive repairs. When the engine malfunction warning appears in your Mazda, taking immediate action is crucial. The first step is to check for obvious problems that might trigger the warning. Next, carefully note the driving conditions when the warning first appeared. Was the engine cold, hot, idling, or under load? This information helps technicians diagnose the problem more quickly. Monitor your engine's performance closely. Look for symptoms like rough idling, power loss, unusual noises, or changes in fuel economy. These symptoms provide valuable clues about the underlying problem. Schedule professional diagnosis within 100 miles of the warning appearing. Continuing to drive with an active engine malfunction warning can potentially cause more serious and expensive damage to your engine. Professional diagnosis follows a systematic approach. First, technicians perform an OBD2 scan to retrieve specific trouble codes that pinpoint the exact problem area. Next, technicians analyze live data while the engine is running to see real-time sensor readings and performance parameters. This helps identify intermittent problems that might not show up in stored codes. Finally, component-specific testing is performed based on the trouble codes. This might include testing individual sensors, checking wiring, or verifying actuator operation to confirm the exact cause of the malfunction. Prevention is the most effective approach to avoiding engine malfunction warnings. Research shows that regular maintenance can prevent 85% of these warnings from occurring in the first place. Follow Mazda's recommended maintenance schedule religiously. Use quality fuel and oil as specified in your owner's manual. Address minor symptoms promptly before they become major problems. Understanding common repair costs helps you budget for potential fixes. Oxygen sensor replacement typically costs $200 to $400 and is one of the most frequent repairs. Mass airflow sensor replacement ranges from $150 to $300. Catalytic converter replacement is the most expensive common repair, costing $800 to $2,500. By addressing engine malfunction warnings promptly and maintaining your Mazda according to the recommended schedule, you protect your engine from serious damage and significantly reduce long-term repair costs. Remember, prevention is always more cost-effective than major repairs.